electrical energy or mechanical energy or magnetic energy or mechanical energy, it jumps from the lower level to higher level. Higher level, while jumping down, it releases photons, PHOTON photons, which are small packets of light energy. Which are small packets of light energy. Why don't you write down? Which are small packets of light energy. These are the wavelengths. These are the wavelengths which are segregated by Lyman, Balmer, Pachan bracket series. In Lyman series, the wavelength is related to cosmic rays and X-rays and UV rays. Those are measured by picometer. Those are measured by picometer. FICO, picometer. Between UV rays and infrared. There occurs visible light in which all UGR colors are produced by the wavelength of 385 nanometers to 656 nanometers, which are produced by all UGR colors, all UGR violet, all UGR colors by the wavelength of 385 nanometer to 656 nanometer. 656 nanometer. Nanometer means 10 to the power of 9. Minus 9. 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. Nanometer. 10 to the power of 9 meters. 10 to the power of 9 is nothing but a nano. In which the wavelength of red is 656 nanometer, and next green, next blue, next green, blue green, next purple, white, purple and violet. The wavelength of violet is 385 nanometers. The wavelength of violet is, that is the lowest wavelength of the visible light. That is the lowest wavelength of the visible light. If electron jumps down 5 to 1 5 to 1 gives red color, gives 5 to 1 red color. 5 to 2, 5 to 2, not 1, no? First one right, 5 to 2, 5 to 2 red color. 5 to 3, and the outermost shell to 3, it gives blue green, it gives blue green. Next, outermost shell to fourth shell, it jumps down from outer shell to fourth shell, it gives purple color, it gives purple color, and the electron jumps down from outermost shell to 5, which gives violet color, wavelength of 385 nanometers. 385 nanometers. The wavelength energy is equal to h nu. V, right, or V shape. H nu. Energy is equal to h nu. Nu is equal to C by F. Where C is the speed of the light in air. C is the speed of the light in air. Nu is equal to C by F. Here C is the speed of the light in air. Here the speed of the light in air. That is 3.00 into 10 to the power of minus 8 meters per second. Not minus, plus 8 meter per second. Then frequency is the wavelengths of revolutions per second. And h is the Planck value. Revolutions per second is the frequency. And h is the Planck value. Planck constant value 6.626 into 10 to the power of 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joules per second. J/second. 6.626 into. Therefore, we can easily find the wavelength of. Therefore, we can easily find wavelength. Therefore, wavelength. We can easily find wavelength. Lambda is equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into 3.00 into 10 to the power of plus 8 meters per second by delta energy into 1.602 into 10 to the power of 9 joules per second or electrovolts. Joules per second or electrovolts. Joules per second or electrovolts or joules per second. Electrovolts, EV. You can find any wavelength by using this formula. And next, Molière diagram. Next. Molière diagram is very useful. Right, Molière diagram, subheading but Molière diagram. Molière diagram is useful, very useful for finding the electronic configuration of any electron. Molière diagram. Molière, M-O-L-L-E-A-R. Molière diagram is very useful for finding electron configuration. Electron configuration is in EC, E point to C. Also, E point to C. If N is 1, if N is 1, 1 is 1, 1 square, 1 square, if N is 2, N is 2, 2s square, 2p, 6. 2s square, 2p, 6. N is 3, 3s square, 3p, 6. And 3d, 10. 10 are the electrons which are landed on d orbital. 10 electrons are landed in d orbital. From Scandinavium to zinc. 3d from Scandinavium to zinc. 3d. Those are the elements which are lied in the Molière diagram. Suppose if electronic configuration of sulfur, write down. Suppose write down the electronic configuration of sulfur by using Molière diagram. By using Molière diagram, we can easily find the electronic configuration of sulfur. What are the electrons of the sulfur? What is the atomic number of the sulfur?
16.
Atomic number is 16. 16 means first shell 1s, 2s2, 2p, 6, 2p6, 2p6 next to 3s2, 3s2 next to 3p4. In that way you can find electronic configuration. In that way you can find electronic configuration. Find another element I can tell you have to do. You will have to do next electronic configuration. How do you find it? Yes. How do you find it? In that way. What is that? 1s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Next 2p6 next 4s2, 4s2, 3p. What is this? 3p4. 3p4. In that way, do the arrow diagrams and find the electronic configuration. Strike it off. Molière diagram. Strike it off. Strike it off.